hold on, Nick. Doc, good job, no. Good, yeah. We're going to jump. You want to jump again?
Till we
¿Cómo está mi gente? ¿Qué pasó? Cuéntenme, ¿cómo están todos? Gusto en verlos. I'm glad to see you one more time, guys. Enrique Morris here, one more time. On the bike, on my way to show you guys the third cachoeira, dos SAPEZEIROs. Finally, guys, to show you how to reach to this cachoeira, we must first reach into this point. You're taking the right hand side if you're coming from Santa Bárbara, or opposite side, you know. So, and then you keep going straight ahead until the dos SAPEZEIRO town. All right, guys. So let's good job, man. All right, let's keep going, guys. Yeah. Okay, like I told you before, after that entrance, you're coming into this dos SAPEZEIRO town. You see that church? So don't take the right hand side, take the left hand side, and you have to go straight ahead. Once you see that rock right here, see that rock? You're going to the right hand side and keep going straight. Right, folks? Let's go. Yeah, first cachoeira, guys. First cachoeira when you reach into this bridge. You reach this bridge, it's first bridge. It's the first cachoeira. Alright, guys? Alright, guys, when you come into this intersection, you see the house there with the old trees. Do not go there. Take it to the left hand side. Go straight down past the bridge. This is the second bridge. Alright? So you gotta keep going straight into the left. Keep going straight ahead to the left, right? Yeah, after that bridge, you come in a long hill. Ooh, catch my butt here. And you're gonna see to your right hand side a house, right? And you pretty much gotta keep going. Let's go. Woo! All right. So you reach here. This point, this intersection will give you into the left or right. You're going to take the right hand side. Right hand side, guys, and let's go straight ahead. All right, guys, let's go. All right, so you got 1, 2 ways to go. You take the left hand side, and pretty much the cachoeira is supposed to be down the hill. All right, guys. Woo! Thanks God, because I'm so dying right now to take a shower in that thing. Let's go, guys. Yeah, we are here. Yes. Better than the first cachoeira and the second cachoeira. Trust me, guys, you gotta come down here, and it's a big reward at the end. You're gonna find this gorgeous, clear, transparent water. Oi, bom dia. It's all right. So we got some riders here. I'm gonna enjoy a little bit here in the place. All right, guys.
We found our place on the branch of an old gum tree. Our feet would sway to a voice in the breeze. And birds would sing on the banks of a narrow stream. These memories will stay with me. We made our way to a hill beside the sea. With salt in the air and sand on our feet. We felt the sun as it burned upon our skin.
É isso.
Maravilhoso!
You see guys?
Beleza?
Beleza, you see guys? So where's the name? What is the nombre? What is the nombre?
Thales!
Sale.
Augusto!
Espero que les haya gustado todas esas tomas aéreas y las tomas del agua y el lindo lugar este con el nombre de San Antonio do SAPEZEIRO, Cachoeira o cascada número 3 o Cachoeira number 3. Okay guys, I invite you guys coming. This water is better than the other cachoeiras. Look at this crystal clear water, guys. Seriously, it's beautiful. So no more else to say, right? Don't forget to subscribe like this. Hit the red button, hit that bell to stay tuned for the next video coming ahead, guys. And I mean it, guys. You're gonna like it, all the videos coming ahead, guys. If it wasn't for you, yeah, we won't be here, guys, right?
Murilo, obrigado pela bicicleta. Falei que eu ia falar obrigado, não falei? E obrigado ao Rian também, que mandou todo o caminho, o mapa. Vocês ajudaram muito. Obrigado.
Tchau, tchau. Tchau, tchau. Ok, tchau, tchau. Tchau, tchau, não, não.